Okay, so hi dear Libra, I beg you, please don't let this camera fall today. Let's start the you versus them reading. Current energy check-in for all of you guys without any timeline because it's timeless. I don't know what's happening with me. I'm happy. And if you want personal reading or healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love course too, links are given below. Yeah, I'm in a movie or something. My own built movie. Let's start. On your side, Libra, let's see what we have. क्या मेरी ये झूठी चाहत है या मेरी किस्मत में है कमी आगे नहीं आता मुझे. Anyways, so from your side, we have this energy of desiring to have a brand new beginning in a situation because you're feeling left out in the cold. You are kind of feeling defeated and feeling like there is nowhere to go from this point onwards. Now, this energy of you wanting a stable connection, a long term partnership, a commitment kind of energy might not be directed towards a particular person or situation for most of you. For some of you, yes, it is obviously directed towards a particular person or situation. But for others of you, genuinely you want to have a connection where you are going to genuinely have something stable on the table that's going to be a committed long term partnership. Hmm? And you want it because you just want to heal yourself properly, because you want to get out of this feeling alone or lonely or left out in the cold kind of energy. This desire is coming out of loneliness, sadness, kind of depressive energies, not coming out of, yeah, I'm fully healed and I'm badly and madly in love with myself now, universe, bring it on. No, it's coming out of this feeling of, I want somebody by my side with whom I can share my life so that I can heal after they come to me, so that they can heal me and I can have something stable on the table. You are going in the reverse gear. I can understand, we all do that because we still have something to process that we need to go through in order to heal properly. But you feel like once you are going to be with somebody stable, you are going to be stable. That's not like this actually, Libra, but yeah, okay. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to, honey. धड़कन पूछ रही है तुझसे. We have the King of Swords, the Nine of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. The energy attached to you, they are right now kind of detached from everything and everyone. Because according to them, this desire of them to have a wish fulfillment in this connection is weighing their whole life down. This is giving them a very burdensome and heavy kind of energy, and they don't want to deal with this kind of energy right now at this present moment. So that's why they want to remain practical, they want to remain detached, they want to get away from the idea of wanting something right now, because again, this is costing them a lot. This wish or this desire of theirs to make something happen between you and them is costing them a lot, and they don't want to invest their time and energy into something that they know is not good for them eventually at the end of the day. So that's why this person wants to remain detached, remain very, very practical, very logical, and being in a very cutthroat kind of energy of, I need my own time and space. I'll get back to you when I feel like I should. Otherwise, maybe never. I don't know. This is the kind of energy this person is giving me right now. They might be trying to find their happiness with something else or someone else, maybe, because they're telling me that this connection between you and them is highly burdensome and heavy to deal with. So they're just trying to let it go. Let's see for the connection what we have, but where it is going. We have the Star card, the Three of Cups, and the Tower. This connection still have the potential to have unexpected coming together, coming back together, but a lot of healing is required. A lot of healing is required, and for that lot of healing to happen, both of you have to come on the same page, talk to each other very openly and honestly. Open and honest communication between two of you can open up the gates of coming together, coming back together in this situation again, suddenly, unexpectedly, when you will be least expecting it to happen. But again, you guys have to be very vulnerable in front of each other. You guys have to talk to each other about each and everything that's bothering you in this situation. Then only it's possible. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. For the connection to work out in any way, in any possible way, you guys have to be very, very vulnerable and honest with each other. And like you guys have to heal the connection from the root, then only it's possible for this connection to go somewhere. Otherwise, this is falling apart. This is kind of falling apart. For you, the guidance here is the justice. Stick with the justice. This is your card only, Libra. Do whatever you think is right. Not when nobody's watching. Choose to do the right thing. Choose to do the justice in the situation. Choose to do the justice with yourself. Even if on a human level you feel hurt or bothered by the situation, listen to your heart. Listen to your inner soul. Your inner soul. What is inner soul? Your soul, your heart is going to tell you what is right for you in this situation, and follow your heart. Do the right thing. Do the justice. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.